Tonight's episode concerns the gaming industry's favorite national pastime, which is not making games but discussing when they might politely arrive. Our subject is GTA 6, the digital equivalent of a celebrity who has not yet entered the room, yet somehow already has several documentaries, a betting market, and a minor religion. In the red corner, we have the fans, armed with trailers, frame-by-frame analysis, and the sort of optimism normally reserved for lottery winners and weather forecasters. In the blue corner, we have the publishers, who communicate with the emotional clarity of a locked filing cabinet. Between them sits the release date, described by all parties as soon, which in industry language translates to please stop asking. Let us begin with the obvious truth. GTA 6 exists. A trailer has appeared, civilization has continued, and the internet has done what it does best, turned a single official announcement into a 3-year group project. Every lamppost, license plate, and cloud formation has been scrutinized as if it were electoral evidence. If a palm tree leans to the left, somebody swears it reveals launch month. If a pedestrian sneezes, a subreddit produces a 47-slide presentation on fiscal quarters. The current expectation, at least at the time of writing, is that GTA 6 is due in 2025. That is the nearest thing we have to a firm answer, which is rather like being told your dinner will arrive around the age of dinner. The sensible interpretation is that development is ongoing, substantial, and expensive enough to make small countries blush. Rockstar is clearly not in the business of rushing things. This is the studio equivalent of a cat sitting on a keyboard while demanding applause for productivity. Of course, the real question is not merely when, but how. GTA launches are not normal launches. They are cultural events dressed as software releases. When GTA 5 arrived, it did not simply sell well.